I'm going to show you how to use tofu in 3 different ways. Extra firm, firm, soft. We're going to start with the soft tofu. Potato starch, tofu, green onion, and ginger. We're going to do a fried version called agedashi tofu. Grate the ginger, mince the onions. The tofu, we're going to softly potato starch it. I like using soft silky tofu for this dish. Fry it at 320 to 350. Lightly rotate it. If you have a bigger pot with enough oil, you can drop it all the way in. I'm going to pour 10-1-1 dashi, which means 10 dashi, 1 soy sauce, 1 mirin, minced ginger, green onions, and a little bonito flake. Very simple, classic dish. Next up is the medium tofu. We have green onions, ginger, onion, medium tofu. Cut it into 3. I got some sliced beef and some morels I foraged. We're going to throw all this into a hot pot. Place the tofu, add the onions, beef, and the morels. This dish is called niku tofu. Green onions and a little bit of ginger. Now we're going to go ahead and add some stuff to it. First we're going to start with some dashi. Throw some dashi in there. Sake. I'm going to go ahead and crank the heat up as I go. Just a little bit. I'd say 10%. Some soy sauce. Mirin. And some brown sugar. Oh shit.
Don't do that. Anyways, this is an easy dish. Rip the heat, just let it go. Next up, we're gonna do a shirae. We're gonna use the extra firm for this one. Press out the moisture, let it sit overnight, add some sesame paste in a Japanese motor pestle, sugar, soy sauce, and grind it all up. This is a very classic shirae base. You can add vinegar if you want it to be more acidic. I added a little bit of dashi and some blanched asparagus. Top it with some extra sesame seeds, tuna flakes. There you go. Those are the 3 ways I use tofu. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.